Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Wilson, Jefferson County Health Officer. We're going to be giving you regular updates every Tuesday and Friday while we're dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic. Today I want to just give you a couple of updates about what's going on. We do feel like we are flattening the curve with all of your great effort in social distancing and staying at home, so we really appreciate everyone's help with that. I think we've been successful in protecting our hospitals from being overwhelmed, which in turn makes it possible for everybody to get the care they need if they do get sick. There are some new models that show that we might hit a peak during this coming week. So we do need to continue our efforts to stay home. Don't go out and do unnecessary shopping over the weekends. Please don't do unnecessary interactions because that still spreads disease. It could still lead to outbreaks and it could still lead to someone's death. We're also very concerned about our population that is homeless or experiencing homelessness, people that are in shelters, and other congregate living situations where if somebody gets sick or gets COVID-19, it could quickly spread to others. We are working to find some extra space for those people if that need arises suddenly. Temporarily, we have set up some tents behind our main health department location to handle that need in the short term while we look for other shelter space in order to spread people out in the event of an outbreak or even one or two cases that need to be evaluated and quarantined. A lot of people have asked questions about testing as well and access to testing. We've been fortunate in Jefferson County to have multiple test sites, but we're still not able to test as many people as we would like. And we are still very concerned about access to testing for people in low-income communities and underserved communities. There are also people in our community that do not have transportation. So that's being addressed by both trying to mobilize some of our test sites and bringing them into other areas where we have not had them. In addition, we've been working with the City of Birmingham and Beham Strong to develop a shuttle service where people can be carried to a test site if needed, while protecting the driver from someone who might be sick. So those are just some of the updates we have. Again, please continue to stay home unless it's necessary to go out. We want you to go out and get some fresh air, enjoy the beautiful weather, get some exercise, but still maintain that 6-foot distance and do not congregate in groups. I know people are tempted to go out and do shopping on the weekends, but please stay home unless you really have some essential shopping to do. Thank you very much.
Okay, I'm Jim Coker with Jefferson County Emergency Management Agency, and we're facing something that is very unique. It's something that has not happened in Jefferson County before, and it's the COVID-19 pandemic. This has given us a lot of different things to think about, one of which is feeding. We recommend that if you are in need of food, if you are in need of meals, please call 211. They will match you with the best resource that is available. If you're a senior citizen, please call 211. They will match you with the best resource. The pandemic has also given us many chances to utilize volunteers. This is an entire county problem, and it takes resources from the entire county to solve it. So to that end, we have established a unified command a month ago. A unified command simply brings a lot of different agencies and cities and the county together to solve the problem. So we use talent, we use people, we use resources from across the county. This pandemic is a problem that is affecting all of us. Our volunteers may be utilized to help with some people who need testing or feeding or other opportunities. If you're interested in that, you can go to the Alabama Fire College website and simply take a volunteer training video course. Once you do that, then we can utilize you either now or in the future here in Jefferson County.